Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at some more articles. First of all, look at these three words. Is it a or is it Three words. First one, university. Second one, hour. Third one, apple. Is it a or is it First one, university. What do you think? It's a university. Why? Because the word starts with a consonant sound, a y, university. Yes, the word starts with a letter U, which is a vowel, but it has a consonant sound. University, a y sound. So it's a university. What about hour? It's an hour. Why? Because it starts with a vowel sound, an ow. It's a diphthong, two sounds together, ow, hour. So it's an hour, an hour. Third one, apple. What do you think? It's an apple, an apple. Why? Because it starts with a vowel sound. The letter A has an A sound, which is a vowel sound. So an apple, an apple. Three more. Okay, have a look at these three words. First one, uniform. Second one, umbrella. Third one, honest person. What do you think about these three? First one, uniform. What's the first sound? Y, uniform. So it's a uniform. Starts with a consonant sound. Look at the next one, umbrella. An sound, umbrella. Vowel sound, so it's an umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. Third one, honest person. What's the first sound? It's O, which is a vowel sound. So it's an honest person. And you can link it together, an honest person. An honest person, just like Uncle Geoff. Three more words. Okay, last three. Have a look at these ones. We've got European holiday. European holiday. We've got used car. Someone owned it before and now you own it. So it's an old car. It's a used car. Used car. Next one, orange. What do you think? Is it a or is it an? First one, it's a European holiday. A European holiday. A European. Link them together. A European holiday. Because European has a y sound, a consonant sound at the beginning. A European holiday. What do you think? Next one. My old car. A used car. Used car. A used. Again, consonant sound. A used car. Y. A used car. And the last one, orange. Correct. Vowel sound. O. Orange. An orange. Link them together. An orange. Articles in English. A and an. Easy peasy with Uncle Geoff's help. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye for now.